हेलो दोस्तों, फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल में। अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर दीजिए। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा टॉप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बिजनेस आइडियाज़ इन इंडिया। Manufacturing is among the most promising industry for entrepreneur in the opportunities-rich nations of India. Has developed into a center for manufacturing companies thanks it is intensive resources-based and competent labor office. The right company idea must be chosen through to succeed. The best manufacturing business concept in India will be discussed in the post. First is processing foods, and India is well known for its varied cuisines and its food production sectors in flourishing. Secondly, there is a significant market for processed food goods, from packaged snacks to the prepared dinners. You can start a food processing company and profit from its booming sectors with the necessary tools and technologies. Second is textile manufacturing. In textile manufacturing, India is the second largest producer of textile in the world. And over the next 5 years, the market is anticipated to expand at a CAGR at 10%. The demand of the textile in India and overseas is especially high, ranging from traditional handloom fabrics to contemporary synthetic materials. Starting a textile manufacturing company can be a successful endeavor. Third is renewable power. India has committed to lessening in carbon footprints and expanding its capacity for renewable energy. By 2022, the government hopes to install 175 gigawatt, launching a business producing renewable energy source like solar panel or wind turbines can be profitable. Comes to electronic good manufacturing. India is the world's second largest smartphone market, and demand for electronic goods is increasing day by day. Therefore, starting electronic goods manufacturing business such as mobile phone, accessory or LED light can be a profitable business. Fifth is chemical manufacturing. India is a significant producer of chemicals and industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 9% in the next 5 years. From fertilizer to pharmaceutical, there is a huge demand for chemical in India and abroad for fertilizer to pharmaceutical there. Therefore, starting a chemical manufacturing business can be a profitable opportunities. In conclusion, Indian manufacturing industry offers many opportunities for entrepreneurs. Thank you. If you like my video, please